नमस्कार, मी श्रद्धा जोशी. स्वानंद लहरी या माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनेलवर तुम्हा सर्वांचं मनःपूर्वक स्वागत. मंडळी, प्रेक्षकांच्या प्रतिसादानुसार फिलाटेली या छंदाचा पुढील भाग आपण सादर करत आहोत.
विश्वास अनंत जोशी speaking. We present a selection of stamps from our collection spanning over 1971 to 1975. Raja Ravi Verma, the great artist. On the background, one can see Damayanti with swan. Dada Saheb Phalke, the founder of Indian cinema. Cyrus the Great. The great king is known to history for a charter of human rights he endowed to his citizens. His kingdom prevailed in Persia, now a part of Iran. To put the king in the proper perspective of time, let us know that he is contemporary to Lord Gautam Buddha. This stamp is included here to illustrate the vast canvas of Indian philately. Mural painting from Ajinta. Occasion 25th anniversary of UNESCO. Sir C.V. Raman, the Indian physicist. His contribution was found to be worthy of Nobel Prize. Golden Jubilee of Vishwabharati, along with the founder Ravindranath Tagore. Cricket 1971. Indian team won 2 rubbers in a row. One against West Indies and the other against England. The year saw the emergence of Ajit Wadekar as the victorious captain. From the same year, Sunil Gavaskar rose to the height of the Little Master. 1972 Munich Olympic. Indian hockey team brought a bronze medal for India. This stamp commemorates the emergence of Bangladesh, erstwhile East Pakistan. The stamp depicts the flag, the map, and the national flower of Bangladesh. We know that under the leadership of late Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Indian armed forces played a vital role in the independence struggle of Bangladesh. Now comes a point. In the brochure published along with the stamp, not a single line mentions the role played by India in the liberation of Bangladesh. This is in accordance with our tradition of respecting dignity of our neighbors. Kudos to the wisdom and maturity of Post and Telegraph Department of India. India has a rich tradition of art. No wonder it reflects in philately of India time and again. The miniature paintings. From left, Radha in Kishangarh School of Art. Kathak dance duet. Dhola and Maru. Taming of an elephant. Alan Octavian Hume, one of the founding members of Indian National Congress. Homage to Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. India hosted an international stamp exhibition in 1973 titled as Indipex 73. Out of the set of stamps published, a remarkable stamp is the one depicting ceremonial elephant. Inset is one more stamp of Ashok Stambha. This is the first specimen of a category called as a stamp within the stamp in the terminology of philately. The folk art of India. The masks. रावण, चंद्र, सूर्य, नरसिंह. A beautiful stamp of a beautiful lady She is the stateswoman Kamala Nehru. This stamp is in the diamond shape. This pair of stamps is to commemorate the centenary of Mathura Museum. In the stamp on the left is shown a woman flute player. In the stamp on the right is Vidyadhar with flower garland. In addition to archaeological significance, this stamp has one more credit. This is the first sea tenant stamp published by India. Sea tenant stamp means stamps with different depiction printed having a common perforation boundary. Saint Francis Xavier in Basilica of Bom Jesus at Goa. Indian birds, a treasure of Indian philately. Indian philately knows no bounds in revering creativity. These 4 stamps commemorate 500th birth anniversary of Michelangelo, the colossal creator of the colossal art. This stamp is an example of sea tenant stamp. Indian classical dances. 6 panoramic stamps are taken out on the theme. Clockwise from top left, Bharatnatyam, Odissi, Kathak, Manipuri, Kuchipudi, Kathakali. A series of stamps is taken out under the title Personalities. Top left is the statesman V.K. Krishna Menon. Top right is Amir Khushro, a poet and musician of eminence. The stamp at the bottom depicts the famous couplet Lagata nahi hai dil mera ujade dayar mein. Yes, you have guessed him, the last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Jafar, remembered more as a poet. Birth centenary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 50th anniversary of India Security Press at Nashik, Maharashtra. We shall be hospitable to your comments, suggestions and reviews. Send those in the comment box of our channel as well as on the WhatsApp. Thank you very much.